Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to solve your Google Play Store update error on your Android phone. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. And now if your Play Store is getting a little error or it's not updating properly, then you can try out 2 or 3 tips and tricks to repair your Google Play Store app on your Android phone. And with that being said, and let's try those tips and tricks. Now first, you'll not be able to update the Google Play Store app from the Google Play Store app itself. For that you'll be required to go to the settings of your phone. Let's go to the settings, and on the settings interface you will be required to go to the apps category. So let's search for the apps, and here's the apps. And after that, let's search for Google Play Store. Here it is. And after that, if your Google Play Store is not updating, try cleaning out your storage, and you can see the clear cache data. Tap on the clear cache and it will make your Google Play Store a little lighter. But if your Google Play Store is not functioning at all, then tap on clear data and your Google Play Store will be hard resetted, or it will be reset from the new and it will update itself. For now, I'll not be clearing my data of the Google Play Store because it is still intact. And after that, or you can just try and disable it for a moment, and then after again you can enable it, or you can see the memory usage by the Google Play Store and do some optimization from over here. And there, guys, this is how you clean your Google Play Store on your Android phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.